In this excerpt from the 5-hour video Pool's Biggest Secrets Revealed 3 Pattern Play, I'll show you a little trick for making combination shots. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a technique that should really help you when it comes to combination shots. In this example, we're playing 9-ball, we have a combination on the 9. And if you ever watch top players, whenever they have a combination shot, they line it up like this. And here's what they're doing. They're pretending the first object ball is the cue ball. So when they aim this shot, they're picking a target along the side rail that they'll be aiming the first ball at. So when we shoot the combination, we're pretending the 9-ball isn't even there. Our whole focus is shooting the 4-ball toward our aiming spot on the rail. If we can do that, we should pocket the 9-ball. And even if you're on this side of the combination, you can still shoot the 4-ball toward this spot on the rail and pocket the 9. And here are 3 examples of combination shots using this technique. In the first shot, I'm going to shoot the 5 into the 8 and make it in the side pocket. So if the 5-ball was a cue ball, I could shoot the 5 toward this spot on the rail and pocket the 8-ball on the side. Now this spot on the rail becomes my target. I now forget about the 8-ball, my whole focus is shooting the 5 toward this spot on the rail. Next, we'll shoot the 4-6 combination, and once again I'm going to line up the shot, and now I know if the 4-ball heads toward this spot on the rail, I can pocket the 6-ball. So now we pretend the 6-ball isn't even there, and we just aim the 4-ball toward this target. And in our third example, we line up the shot the same way by pretending the 7-ball is the cue ball. So our spot on the rail is right here, and that becomes my main focus, trying to aim this 7-ball toward this spot on the rail. Next, we'll discuss a common mistake that many players make when playing combinations, and that's playing on the wrong side of the combination line. And I'll show you what I mean. In this example, I'm playing 9-ball and I left myself here on the 3-ball. Before I shoot the 3, however, I'm going to line up my combination. So if I shot the 4 toward this spot on the rail, I'll be able to pocket the 5-ball. So this now becomes my combination line. Now when I shoot the 3-ball, I end up just short of the line. So when I pocket the combination, we can see that the cue ball heads toward the side rail while the 4-ball heads to the end rail, leaving me without a shot. Since by looking at the combination line, we can tell which way the 4 will go, and that's toward the end rail. So if we want our cue ball to head the same way, we need to be on the other side of the combination line. Now when I shoot the combination, the cue ball is headed in the right direction, leaving me a nice shot on the 4-ball. Here's another example of playing shape on the wrong side of a combination. I'm playing 9-ball and I'll be playing the 2-3 combination next. But I have to be really aware of where the 2-ball will travel after it strikes the 3-ball. So if I just shot the 2 into the 3, we can see that the 2-ball heads in this direction. Which means if I ended up below the 2-3 combo line, the cue ball will travel in this direction, which means I'll be left with a tough shot on the 2-ball. Now if I can have the cue ball head in the same direction as the 2-ball, I can play the 2 in the top right hand corner pocket. So that means I need to be above the 2-3 combo line. Now when I shoot the combination, both balls head in the same direction, giving me a shot on the 2-ball. And in our final example, we'll be shooting the 1-ball and playing the 2-3 combination. See if you can figure out what side of this combination I need to be on. In this first shot, I end up short of the 2-3 combo line, and we can see that the cue ball is going to head away from the 2-ball. But if we're above the combination line, both the cue ball and 2-ball are going to be heading in the same direction. So before you play a position on a combination, try to predict the direction the first ball will travel to after it strikes the object ball. When the cue ball is close to the object ball and the player has to draw the cue ball straight back,